calm house, warm soul. Be patient with the people who you love most. Don't fear when I'm close. Love's gentle, family's near.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to this vlog. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I am just drying out the clothes I washed last night. And after which I will go put another badge in the washing machine. I have a lot of activities to do this morning. So I'm just starting up with the first one on my list. And later on, I am going to also go out to take a walk, because we have this free street, free road to walk, jog, whatever you want to do. So I will go with the kids. I will put Diana on a bicycle, Jasmine on her own bicycle as well. Then we'll just take a long walk. I have not eaten breakfast. And hopefully later today I will also bring down Jasmine's braid. Hopefully everything I'm talking about I'm able to achieve them today, because I still have to clean the house, wash the bathroom and clean the room. Yesterday I did the living room, so I'm not really going to do deep cleaning in the living room except just to clean the rug and dust the couch. But for the room and bathroom I need to do deep cleaning. Then later I'll cook spaghetti or pasta, anyone. Hopefully today I'm able to achieve my goals before nightfall. Obi stepped out. He went to do something. He will be back by noon. So before he comes back, I think I will be half done. So halfway done, and he will help me with the rest. Hey guys, how are you doing? You guys, I was filming this morning when I was putting clothes out, and I said I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Let me be honest, I did not do everything I said I want to do today, and I wanted to go for jogging this morning. When I came out, the sun was too much. I had to go back inside and said, cool evening, I'll come out. So now I'm with my squads. Let me show you this. See ants. There. Diana. Dog. Yeah, it's dog. Wait. No. Out with my squads. Mia Familia. So we are almost done. We did in another street, this street, and we are going home, already going home. The other side, that part, is more free because it's not very, very busy compared to this one. This one is just like a major road, it's very busy. So it's not safe around here with kids. So we are going home. I'm wearing my waist trainer, my body shaper to be fit. You guys, wait for me. Summer! Hey, you don't know what is coming. You see all those body comb outfits? I really want to wear them this summer. So I'm getting prepared. And I'm almost there. You can see my bone is shrinking. I've reduced so much. Even my face, I've slimmed down on my face compared to when I nearly had Diana. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. So guys, clean my bedroom and my bathroom with me. I'm going to be doing like a deep cleaning, just like I did in my last vlog. I cleaned my living room, like I deep cleaned my living room, and I took you guys along. So this particular vlog was very, very long. I had to beat it down to this length you guys are seeing. I almost ran mad. My kids were just all over the place because they were home, of course, and their dad was not home. So They were all over my video. I was running back and forth with them, so it made the video lengthy and I was extra tired. Anyways, I started with my bedroom, cleaned all my glass and my mirrors because this closet is glass. And yeah, after that, I set my bed, put down the lower one. Yes, that protective bed cover. Then I use my bedding set. Then of course, added my pillows. Before I used to use like six, five pillows. You guys, I don't know how came down to two, three pillows now. I don't really know. Maybe I will get more pillows. I'm not a fan of pillow to sleep, but for fancy, I love a lot of pillows. Even if at night I would just fling them everywhere. But for decoration purpose, I normally use more than four pillows. So I will have to get more of them. And yeah, so I'm just getting my bed set. And after which, I'm going to clean my bedside table. I just dusted it with that I cut the last time. I showed you guys before, right? So now I'm going to clean and disinfect it. So the bedroom bed is set. So I'm going to clean my, what's it called, my rug. You can see my daughter is also here. I was trying to tell her, Madam, leave. She said, lie, lie. Mama! Mama! Diana! 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 Sorry. So you know say the best person is for person name. I'm sorry.
Calm house, warm soul.
So here is my bathroom. I was removing everything that is in the bathroom because I will have to sweep out the bathroom and also first of all soak the bathroom with bleach. This is bleach. This is the perfect one for me. I don't know, everybody they have what they like. They are different bleach, but this one is super active. I use it to wash white, I use it to clean the floor, I use it to wash the bathroom. So it's very, very active. So that's what I use. And I'm using another one that I use for the shower as well. In fact, I have different chemicals I use to wash my bathroom because I don't like stain on my bathroom, and it also helped me eliminate smell. So I love all of these chemicals I am using. They are very harsh. See, they were smelling. I don't like my kids around the bathroom whenever I'm cleaning the bathroom because of this strong chemical odor. I don't want it to affect them because sometimes it affects me a lot. If not immediately, later on, I will be sneezing non-stop. So after I've done all of that, I will have to still spray it, disinfect it. See, I was telling you guys about the smell. So right now, as all the stains are washing off on its own, I was sweeping and now also adding this bleach too. I also use it to wash white and remove stain from clothes. So I had to use it for the bait up. You guys, I was washing the bait up and I thought I was vlogging. I didn't know I was not recording. So I couldn't redo that part, Joe. You can't be like saying a fake because when I was really scrubbing and washing it, I was recording, but it was not recording. Sometimes this is what we go through as content creators. If you are not very, 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 very super careful, most of the content you think you are recording won't record. So now I am scrubbing my toilet. You guys, my bathroom. Anybody that knows me know this. You see my bathroom. I'm super, super careful washing it. I love to wash my bathroom, if not every day. Sometimes I don't do deep cleaning. Sometimes I just pass rag and just spray some chemicals on it. Yeah, I love to wash my bathroom, especially when I have visitors. Yes, I will wash and wash and wash. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to clean, 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 clean. And I really hope you guys are enjoying this video because it was stressful for me to vlog all of this. It's not as easy as you are watching right now. It took a lot of time.
Be patient with the people who you love most. Don't fear when I'm close. Love's gentle, family's near. Calm house, warm soul. 'Cause home is not a place, it's a feeling that you can't see. A family full of grace, a safe haven where you're meant to.
So after washing and scrubbing them, we have to use rag to just like dry it off because I'll not leave it dripping water. No, so I'm going to use rag to pass all of them and dry out all those water that I poured on it. So it will start looking very sparkling clean. So I decided to use bucket of water to wash off all of the soap and chemical I used because I didn't want to just be running water over everything and I'll be wasting too much water. So I decided to economize. Anyway, here I was done cleaning everywhere, so I just had to loosen the shower curtain, and yeah, this is the final result. How did I do? I know it's clean, it's beautiful. This is my handwork. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this also motivates you to clean your home. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next one. Continue watching the video. Please don't forget to put like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace and love.
Thank you for watching.